So I just got this pack of 2-ounce storage jars. They are great for traveling, and they're also great for doing DIY. They come really nicely packaged like this, and they do have a black lid with it. So this is the black lid, and this is what it looks like, and I'm going to make a DIY cream with it. So to do the DIY, you're going to need shea butter. So I'm just going to take some of the shea butter and add it inside the jar. So once you've added the shea butter inside the jar, the next thing you're going to need is your essential oil, and I'm using lavender essential oil. And so I'm just going to take a few drops of the essential oil and just mix that in it. And then the next thing you just want to do is just to combine everything together. And this is how you create your body butter. I love that these jars are transparent. You can see everything that is in it. You can actually also label what is in it. And I also like that the material that it comes in is a safe material. It seals really well, and it also has a thick wall, so it's not flimsy material. It's very, very thick, and you can use it for so many things. I totally love how durable they are, and yeah.